Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an essential product for anyone who uses tape in hair extensions. The Fast Acting Remover by piaou. If you're on the lookout for the best glue remover for hair extensions, look no further. This innovative formula is designed to make your hair extension removal process quick, easy, and gentle on your scalp. This remover stands out in a crowded market for several reasons. First and foremost, it's fast-acting, which means you won't have to waste time struggling with stubborn adhesives. The oil-based formula works effectively to break down the bond between the tape and your natural hair, ensuring that the extensions come off smoothly without causing damage or pulling. This is especially crucial for those with sensitive scalps, as harsh removers can lead to irritation and discomfort. Using the fast-acting remover is a breeze. Simply spray a generous amount directly onto the tape tabs of your extensions. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, which gives the product time to penetrate and loosen the adhesive. Then, using your fingers, gently separate the hairpieces. Once you've successfully removed all the extensions, it's a good idea to shampoo both your hair and the extensions to eliminate any remaining residue. This not only leaves your hair feeling fresh but also helps maintain the quality of your extensions for future use. What's truly impressive about this remover is its pleasant scent, thanks to the citrus oils and extracts included in the formula. Many users appreciate how it transforms the potentially messy removal process into a more enjoyable experience. The creamy texture allows for a seamless glide during application, making it compatible with a variety of tape in extensions and soft bonds. Another advantage is that this product is free from latex, harsh solvents, and toxic ingredients, making it an ideal choice for those with sensitive skin. You can trust that you're using a skin-safe adhesive solvent when you choose the fast-acting remover, which significantly reduces the risk of skin irritations during removal. Let's talk about the size and value. The fast-acting remover comes in a convenient 1.76-ounce bottle, priced at just $8.89. Given its effectiveness and gentle formulation, it's an excellent investment for anyone who regularly uses hair extensions. In summary, the Fast-Acting Remover by piaou is an outstanding product for anyone in the hair extension game. Its fast-acting formula, ease of use, great scent, and gentle ingredients make it the best glue remover for hair extensions. Whether you're a professional stylist or a DIY enthusiast, this remover will simplify your hair care routine and keep your extensions looking great. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we hope you found this review helpful.